Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. It looks like we already got the shower panels, panels up, but it's not. Now, what reason that it's not is because this is not glued. This is what you call dry fitting according to the instructions. This was cut around that plastic ring that you measure to and get ceramic tile up to it and protect all that. And that was cut. Measure a lot. Make sure that you got it right. Make sure that the top of both of these panels match up. Okay? And that way you keep everything even. Again, measure really well. And cut your holes so that you can put in the stuff at a later date.
And make sure the direction.
It's kind of what we've done is run the grain with each other. You can go opposite if you want, but it took a lot of time to make sure that we cut it close. Now, what do we cut it with? It's a regular skill saw with a new blade and a jigsaw and maybe a paddle bit to get started. So it doesn't take anything but a regular skill saw, jigsaw,
paddle bit.
Paddle bit.
Christina might want to make a little pop up there.
Maybe. Now we're going to take these panels down. We're going to start over on the bottom. We're going to put 100% silicone. Like the instructions say, every bit of this has been put together with 100% silicone. That's clear.
He's gonna go along all the edge with a line, so it's sealing the edge for sure.
You notice I'm not doing it inside the shower itself because I don't want to get any of this caulking that might fall off into the shower and have to clean it.
You might want to do this in a ventilated area because this silicone has a
Strong odor.
There you go. It's gonna go all the way around like a maze. Pretty good size hole.
3-inch screw or nail.
Already opened that one. Just shelves that go inside the wall. I'm putting silicone along the edge. Put my hand in the center of it. Open that up for me so it don't push out. We're going to leave the excess there, and I'll just take a knife and cut real close to that and peel it off. I'm hoping that's why, instead of trying to smear it. And we'll probably, at some point, maybe put some silicone around it, seal it up really well. Let's zip it up. Go to the next part.
Let's hit the fill bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.